Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here. In this photography behind the scenes video incorporating a speedlight flash, I can't wait to bring you along, but before we get into it, I want to thank my sponsor, Squarespace, for making this free photography video possible. As a photographer, you also play the role of stylist, location scout, customer service rep, accountant, and snack provider. And you need a website that's just like you, can do it all. Enter Squarespace, the all-in-one website platform for photographers. It's more than just a website platform. You can schedule and accept your photo shoot bookings, sell digital products like PDF guides, or physical products like art prints, host your domain and custom email, create email lists, and present your work through public or password-protected galleries. If you're a photographer operating during late morning hours, rest assured that Squarespace has you covered. You can quickly troubleshoot any challenges with their round-the-clock live chat and comprehensive help library and 24/7 customer service. A photo speaks 1,000 words, but a seamless client experience on your website is how you can book those $1,000 clients. Build and launch your new website in just a weekend, but if you need more time, you can give Squarespace a 14-day free trial. And when you're ready to launch your beautiful new site, head to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker for 10% off your first purchase of a new website or a domain. Super pretty right here, gorgeous. Okay, now I'm gonna have you pick it up a little bit more just on one side. Yeah, gorgeous. And then almost pretend like you're taking a step forward and look over your shoulder towards the field. Yeah, gorgeous. Now actually take a step forward. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then take a step back again. What if you do like a big twirl? Yeah, beautiful. And what you'll do is maybe pick up the dress from a little bit further down so then you have more room to do the thing. And then let's just wait for these guys in the back. Okay, and go. Gorgeous. Beautiful. And maybe I'll even have you keep your face, even though it will feel counterintuitive, have your face still that way. Yeah, in the front, yeah. Gorgeous. So right now, even though there's a lot of people in the back, I'm just able to use generative fill on Photoshop, so I don't have to be so worried about the backdrop. Okay, now let's add while you're doing it. I don't know if it could be cool to like just have this kind of like loosely around the shoulder, even if it falls. It could, you know what I mean? Could be kind of cute.
I have this exact one at home.
Really? I love this. Okay, yeah, cute.
And then keep going.
Yep. Now let's do one where I'm gonna have you basically like try to have your head in here when you're sitting, and then what if we like scoop all the fluff of the dress, like you're sitting on your bum, you have your knees up, and then the fluff is like surrounding you.
You want me to still use this?
Yes, maybe we'll just put it in the front though, or actually, yeah, let's just have it in the back. Pretty. What if you hold it like you're holding the book kind of wrapped? Yeah, but then maybe, yep, perfect. Can I give you the hat? Come on now, the hat! Oh my gosh. And then kind of tilt your face down ever so slightly. Oh my gosh, the piece of hair that's right in. Oh my word. Part your lips a little bit more. Gorgeous. Oh my word. Okay, don't move. I'm gonna just adjust it. I'm just kind of curious to see how that. Oh my gosh. And look that way. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. You're so freaking beautiful.
I like it.
Oh my word. And then how can we do a full, maybe sit on your booty now? Yeah. Beautiful. Gorgeous. What if you now can you bring your knees up like to your chest kind of thing, and then, yeah, cute. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. And now put both your hands out to the side, almost like you're looking for something. Beautiful, and let them kind of like dance out. Yeah, beautiful. And then look at me. Oh, gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Now take the book with one of your hands. Oh, beautiful. Gorgeous. Fine, oh my gosh, beautiful. Now just like bring it down to your cheekbone. Beautiful. Look to the side again. So pretty. And then look at me and part your lips. And then slide it down a little bit further. Yeah, yeah. Gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. And then I'm curious to see, this kind of looks cool. We'll just do the same thing. So we have option, gorgeous. Beautiful. And now just put the book down on the side. Yeah, beautiful. Gorgeous. And then maybe put one hand in your hair. Yeah, beautiful. Oh, that's super pretty with the blue earring. Super pretty. So pretty, Susanna. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
The
that is
flash,
really cool.
it's interesting how it does it a little bit differently like every time, but I think it could be edited cool, and I think it could fit like some of your
It's a
cute
really
like
cool vibe.
like the vibe.
That's a cool shot.
Cute. What if you bring both your hands down, and what we can do is like bring all your hair to the front, really mess it up, and then it's kind of like your hair is by your lips. Yeah, yeah, cute, cute. Oh, that looks really cool. And then bring your face pretty straight up. Yeah, gorgeous. Tilt your chin back a little bit. Gorge. So I have the flash pointed directly at her because there's nothing else for the light to bounce off of. Okay, I'm gonna switch to my 50 again. Beautiful. What if you now, what if you put like your hands up? She's looking, she's searching, and then look very like, what did they say about, you know, something cute. Yeah, oh, that's so pretty. And then look a little bit more, yeah, beautiful that way, perfect. Gorgeous. That's super cool. And then part your lips a little bit and have your eyes be like nice and wide, like, whoo, the flash really is getting to my, to my eyes. Oh, perfect, okay.
Killing it.
Okay, this is pretty. Okay, this is pretty. The other one is so ugly. No, like, okay, so let me kind of show you, oops.
Ooh,
you know,
pretty,
so
yeah.
that's kind of what I'm,
Nice.
so maybe with this, it's like, because you have these amazing sleeves, you kind of like,
Oh,
yeah.
Okay. Do you want me to just like move them around?
Yes,
Like,
I think that could be really pretty. So your hands are gonna be out like this. This hand I'm gonna have cropped out of the frame so you can just have it up, and then we'll get that sleeve billowing down. And then this one, keep it up by your face, and then that's what will be in the shot, yeah. Super pretty. And then look over at me really quick. Yeah. And then look back, and then I want you to go, oh, what's that? Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then look at me. Gorgeous. Now I've switched to my 85, beautiful. Now I'll have you put both hands out, and then, yeah, gorgeous. Beautiful. Now what if we do one where you're moving back and forth, so your hair is kind of flowing, and kind of keep your hands close to you so that then I can get a tight shot too. A little bit even closer to you with your hands. Yeah, perfect. Maybe a tiny bit slower, just a tiny bit. Yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then stop and look at me. Gorgeous, beautiful. And then look back a little bit. Beautiful. Actually, look forward, sorry. The other way, beautiful. Beautiful, and now look that way. Perfect. And then let's do, this is really, really pretty and like very dreamy. Let's see. Oh, so beautiful. Just bring your face ever so slightly. Yep, beautiful. And then there's one piece of hair. Can you just go like this? Yep, perfect. Actually, there's one more piece on this same. Yeah, beautiful. Gorgeous. If you're a photographer who's looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, check out my free Facebook group called Build and Bloom. This is the best place to ask questions about your specific photography business. So whether you need help drafting a response to a difficult client situation, or you just want an extra set of eyes on a gallery before you send it out, Build and Bloom is my best free resource. Find it on Facebook groups. You can listen and learn to the Build and Bloom Photography podcast wherever you get your podcast. I believe in you and I believe in your business. Be sure to hit subscribe so you're the first to know when new free videos for your business come out, and I will see you in my next video. Click right here to watch and to learn. I'll see you there.